Carbon monoxide detector maintenance. One of the most important tools that is essential to the safety and well-being of everyone in a home is a carbon monoxide detector. Even more important is the fact that these devices should always be both checked and maintained on a regular basis in order to ensure that they are working as effectively and efficiently as possible. Generally, a majority of models will work for approximately 5 years, so if yours is any older than that, then you will need to consider replacing it as soon as possible. In the event that you don't feel comfortable performing this type of work on your own, never hesitate in contacting our professionals to assist you, as they will be able to ensure that everything is completed correctly. For more information on our service plans and prices, contact us online at dyezzelectrical.com or call us at 512-210-6909.